This is a step-by-step guide to making and maintaining a universal credit claim online. To verify your identity, you can either do it online or at your local Job Center Plus office. You will be asked basic information about yourself, such as your name and date of birth. You will also need some form of ID, such as your passport or driver's license. To verify online, access gov.uk/verify, and then you can follow all of the outlined steps. If you cannot verify online, then you will need to do this at your local office. You will be told what documents are valid to verify your identity. The next step is booking your interview. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.